Myntri katana tourism ka sorkar Jylla Bah Paul Lyngdoh hynne ka sngi iathuh ba yaki arspa ngut ki nongdie Madan Khyndailad ka sorkar ka pynkhreh ban Pynkynriah no yaki Lai Jaka bala pynkhreh kyrpang. Haba kren barkila pathai Khubor Myntri iathuh ru ba ka sorkar ka bu thong ban pyndep no yakani ka jingpynkybriah hashwa ban kut Naiwieng mynta usnem. Uong ba kani kade kasin jam ban penlong yaki benta jong ka Khyndailad kum ka lenti yat kejat bat ka bakulut yaki nong yat lenti.
The latest was that we had a meeting chaired by Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs, where the plan of action of the department was shown to us through a PowerPoint presentation. It includes details of all applicants because our first zone, first area of concentration is the Khyndailad stretch. So as I indicated the other day, there are about 200 plus applicants, and now steps are on to rehabilitate them, and some of the spaces available with the department have already been indicated and earmarked. So we should be in a position to complete the entire exercise within the month of November this year. For Khyndailad, it will be, I think, 3 spaces, including buildings of the MTC and the Buddha. Because as you can see, these vendors, now government already has a policy of rehabilitating them and giving them proper space with water facilities and other amenities. So the problem that the city is faced with, and which the Department of Urban Affairs is trying to address, is that there should be equal respect for the rights of all users of public space. And users of public space include transporters, drivers, pedestrians, and these vendors therefore should not in any way impinge upon the rights of motorists and pedestrians.